Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiana in the house. Please remember to leave me a little bit of like and subscribe for other amazing content. I have few fish here. I wash them, wash out the inside, clean it up and cut them. Alright, and I wash them in some vinegar. Now we're gonna season it up, okay? And we're gonna do some oven baked fish, stuffed fish, all right, with some okra and callaloo. All right, so we're just gonna add some seasoning to this. You can mix up all the seasoning together and rub it up, all right, if you want. This one is some Maggi Maggi fish seasoning. I'm gonna put some black pepper. Remember if we put some on the inside, alright guys? Put some on the inside. Put some seasoning on the inside as well. And I'm gonna season both sides. And then we're gonna use some garlic powder and some onion powder. We're gonna go in with some paprika for color. And I'm just gonna put a little bit of salt on the inside, all right? Just on the inside. I'm gonna put a little bit of olive oil on top so your season can, you know, rub up on it and marinate and all of that, okay? So about a teaspoon will do. All right, guys, you just wanna rub it up like that. You see how it look nice? Woo! See that? All right, we're gonna put this aside. Now my peeps, we're just gonna saute the vegetable and we're gonna use to stuff it. So I'm gonna put about a tablespoon and a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. I'm gonna put one onion, or yeah, put one onion. So I'm putting one onion in there. We have some scallion. I'm gonna put a little bit of thyme. Alright guys, we're just gonna give this a little stir. I'm gonna put some bell peppers and some okra, because I freeze them so they last a little longer. I'm gonna put like a tablespoon of my green seasoning. I will leave a link to this one. This is some spicy Maggi crack soup. We're gonna put a little bit, maybe quarter pack. And my can of Callaloo, guys, I'm gonna just pour it in. So everything's gonna steam down. You see how it color pretty? All right, we're gonna put a little bit of salt and a little bit of black pepper, a little bit of garlic powder, a little bit of onion powder. We're gonna put some crushed pepper flakes, red pepper flakes. Remember, see our fish, so we want some pepper, some scotch bonnet pepper. Oh boy. And that's it, guys. You don't have to overdo it. So we're gonna let this simmer down for about say 3 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes, and we're gonna use it to stuff the fish and pop it in the oven. And the leftovers, you can serve it at the side. You can eat it with some rice, some dumpling. These are some cook up callaloo and okra. We're going to turn off the stove now because everything will finish cook and the callaloo cook. You can't eat just like that. Tastes so good. Well seasoned. Oh, pepper. Boy. Just gonna take some up, guys. Okra and all. we're gonna open the fish. You're gonna stop it, pull it up. Make sure some okra go up in it. It's hot enough, guys. Stuff it up right up to the head. Alright. Let me get some onions and just set on the top. My oven is preheating at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Alright. Just some onions. You don't have to, but I want to. Alright, guys. And you just want, oh, let me put some more olive oil. I'm gonna, you can put a piece of butter if you want, but I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of olive oil to keep it moist, right, and juicy. And you wanna wrap this. You wanna keep all the moisture in, all right? So you're sealing it, all right? So that's one thing, all right? Just gonna stuff it right down to the head. So we can pick up some under here, so you guys stuff it. All right, and I'm just gonna get a few pieces of onion and set on the top. You don't have to, this is just optional. Do the same thing with little olive oil, about a teaspoon. Just rub it up. All right, okay. Sealing the moisture. All right, the steam, because I steam I can bake it, right, guys? Just like that. All right. And now we're gonna pop them in the oven at 400. I'm gonna pop them in there for about 20 minutes. All right, because them are big fish. So 20 minutes they should be done. All right, some people can do 15 or you can do 25. It's up to you, but 20 minutes, these bad boy gonna be out. You can go up to 25 if you want. All right, and I'll come back. And now I'm just gonna show you how they're looking. All right. Oh my goodness. Look at that, guys. Yes, steam come out of it. Oh my goodness, guys, all of this, your goodness, your juice and everything. If you have some water crackers, you just set few crackers at the side. So guys, yes. Woo, it smells so good. Let's find that one over here, so guys. Look at this goodness, guys. This is what you're talking about. Yes, guys. So this is my oven bake fish in foil stuffed with veggie. Yeah. Callaloo and okra on the sizzle. Guys, all of this don't throw it away now. You come over here like that and you drizzle it over it. Alright? Like that. And this is a baby maker, guys. Right, listen. Just moisten it back. Alright? So I think set this. We get some water crackers and we decide so me I put it in a gravy. So I get some of the gravy over here, so and the big mama. I'm just gonna set some water crackers at the side. Now overdo it. Alright, my peeps, and this is it. Look at that. Oh my goodness, so juicy with my water crackers. Yeah, I get the water crackers and put it in the gravy there, so in Oh my goodness. Me I tell you, boy. Oh boy, 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 boy. Yes, love upon me, and I love upon you. Yes, lots of okra inside. Oh, I want to show you inside, guys. Lots of okra in there, bell peppers. Yes, callaloo. Look there, guys. You see? I know, no joke. Well stuffed. Yes, sir. We in a business. I'm back, and we're gonna taste it. Oh boy, let's taste it, yes, sir. Oh, watch the guys. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Wait up your crackers in the gravy, guys. Oh my. Thank God I'm blessed with hand. For a little food I mean.